Alright, you guys, here's the new build for the channel. The reason why we haven't been posting is because we wanted to build something new for the channel. We didn't want to just build like a regular car. We were looking for like a single cab like this one, or like a race car like a Camaro SS, a Mustang, a Corvette, something like that. We didn't have no luck finding one until the other day I found this one, and so we went to go pick it up, and this is gonna be the new build for the channel. um, the truck, it's it's gonna need some work. You're gonna need basically a new whole front end. These frame rails are bent a little bit slight to the right. This is how it is right there. um the body is all right for a 2007. It has a little dent right here, another one right here, a couple dents up here on top of this. The guy, he gave me some fenders, some black fenders. Had the rim pop when I was on my way over here. That's why that rim is like that. But yeah, it has another this right here. See what we can do right there. Um, this is paint this all too. This door, it doesn't open all the way, so we have to do some fix. I gotta take that fender off so I don't keep bending the door. And this bumper, I don't know why this guy put it on there, but it's not even from there. I don't know where that bumper is from. But yeah, I'm gonna need some new headlights. Yeah, guys, we have a lot of plans, a couple plans for this truck. We definitely are gonna drop it. It is a V8, V8 4.8. We are gonna drop it. I want to put the HD grill on there with the Denali bumper, color matched and everything. I am thinking about painting it all black. I don't know yet. I don't know if I should, because I really don't like the navy blue. I'd rather paint it black, but I'm still not sure yet. Let us know in the comments if we should paint it black. I really want to paint it black. um, but yeah, we are gonna drop the truck. We're definitely gonna drop the truck. We got a lot of little plans for this one. We're gonna try to post one video at least every week, because we are kind of busy with customer cars. We got one over there and another one right here, and we have other ones that we haven't been working on because we need to finish those. So this one we're gonna try to work on it at least Sunday, every Sunday, and then I'll try to post like Friday or something. So yeah, guys, this is a new build. Very excited to get started working on this one. This door doesn't open, so I don't think it's connected from the inside. But the first things first that we're gonna do, sorry y'all can't hear me, my dad's grinding. But the first thing we are gonna do is fix these frame rails before we start messing with anything else. Is fix the frame rails, get them straight, and then put the whole front end on and stuff. Let us know, guys. I really do want to paint it black. I really don't like this the navy blue look. I do want to paint it black. The interior, I can't open the door all the way, but I mean the dash is in pretty good condition. I gotta put that airbag back inside. Looks like they changed it. But the interior, whoever had this, I don't know what they were doing, but none of this is connected. This guy made his own. They wrapped the own seat using, I don't know what. Did a bad job doing it, but that's that. We're gonna get new seats either way, though. Look at this. It's not even what goes here. But yeah, at least the radio works for now. So yeah, guys, this is gonna be the new builds for the truck. Let us know if we should paint it black. I really do want to paint it black, but I'm not sure yet. So yeah, guys, we're gonna start try to post every week again now that we got this truck. That's why we had stopped posting, but now that we got our new build in, we're definitely gonna start posting again. And also, we've been thinking about changing the name of the channel. We're not sure yet if we should change it. We have a couple names in mind. If y'all have any suggestions, let us know in the comments. Alright guys, so we'll see you on the next video. Probably start taking off the front end and start working on the front frame rails. Peace.